welcome back to my channel. So today I'm gonna be doing a Christmas DIY and this is only gonna cost you $2. I am so excited to get started, so I'm just gonna jump right in and show you something just magnificent. So the first thing I got was my scrap wood and a ruler. You guys, I'm actually using a ruler and I wanted to see where the middle of the piece of wood was, and then I'm just going to make some straight lines to make a Christmas tree on this piece of scrap wood. And I did do this a couple times because I realized that my wood piece was a little too long, so I wanted to make the tree just a little bit longer and then just make it even so I would just be able to make this look so awesome. And then once the tree was just traced, I actually took the white and the apple barrel paint and then I just started painting around the tree. You probably could just paint the whole entire piece of wood white, but I just wanted to do an outline. I think it made it look a little bit more rustic. As soon as you started putting the bulbs on, you could kind of see through the wood just a little bit, but I still really liked the touch of this and I liked how you could kind of see the wood just a little bit.
I've tried to explain how much you really mean to me, but I feel a bit insane. Could you just take me seriously? I get jealous, I get down, run into the clubs trying to have fun, but I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it, diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it, gotta know that you want it. Talk about it, diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it, gotta know that you want it. Hate playing the game, if I let you in, I want you to stay, and I hope that I'm not wrong, that you also feel what's going on.
And then once the painting was done, I just took these bulbs from the Dollar Tree. I really like that these are plastic, so if this does fall or anything, nothing is going to break. These are 15 to a pack. I thought these ones were so cute. And then I just started gluing everything onto this tree and just doing a whole outline. I did go row by row just because I wanted to make sure everything was covered, and I did kind of have to move these around, and a couple I did have to rip apart and redo, but in the end I think this turned out so good. And I did end up using all the bulbs except 3 of them. If you're going to do something like this where you're going to use a piece of wood, I think mine is just probably maybe a foot long, and then I didn't even do the whole entire board with the tree, so you'll need about 30 bulbs if you're going to do about that size.
Get jealous, I get down, run into the clubs trying to have fun, but I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it, diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it, gotta know that you want it. Talk about it, diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it, gotta know that you want it. 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 Talk about it. Talk about it. I get jealous, I get down, run into the clubs trying to have fun, but I'm always jealous, it goes around. We should cut to the chase right about now. I think we should talk about it, diving deep, let it go, so you want it. Talk about it, gotta know that you want it.
And to make the little trunk of the tree, I just took 2 little Jenga pieces that I had left over. I actually got these from the Dollar Tree as well. And I just glued them to the bottom to make a little tree trunk. And that is all I did, you guys. So I hope you enjoyed this video and thank you so much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, I would love if you subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!